Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to bind your Gate.io account to the Google Authenticator app. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your Gate.io account, enabling Google Authenticator is a great way to do just that. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of linking your Gate.io account to the Google Authenticator app. So if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to log into your Gate.io account. So now what you have to do right away is to first of all go over to the Gate.io app. So let me look for the Gate.io app to open it real quick. Let me open the Gate.io receipt. Let me scroll upwards. Okay guys, I've seen it. So let me tap on the Gate.io app to open it. You can see the Gate.io app is opening. So once it opens up, the next step you have to take now is to make sure that you're logged into your account. Then after you're sure of that, then you have to tap on your Gate.io profile icon. You can see it up there. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it at the top left. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on that encircled area. You can see that encircled area right there. Tap on any area around it. So let me tap on it real quick. Then what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see security. You can see it right there at the middle. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on security. Let me do that real quick. Right there guys, you can see security has been selected. Now under the security, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see Google Authenticator. You can see right there it is written not enabled. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So the Google Authenticator app has not been linked to my Gate.io account. Immediately I link it. Once I link it now, you're going to see that the Google Authenticator will be enabled. So guys, let me tap on it right away to select it. So guys, right here is the next step. So what I'm going to do now is to zoom in so you can see it clearly. So guys, now you can see it more clearly. You can see what's written there at the top. It says Google Authenticator, and you can see there they have 3 steps. So we have to go through these 3 steps in order to successfully link or bind our Gate.io account to the Google Authenticator. You can see the first step. It says download and install Google Authenticator, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that, how to download and install it. Then the second step, it says click plus. That means click the plus icon in the Google Authenticator app. So once you've downloaded and installed the app, they click the plus icon. Let me continue reading. It says click enter the provided key and copy the key of your Gate account to your key field. Enter an account name and click add. So that's the process you're going to take once you've downloaded and installed that. I'm going to show you guys how you can download the Google Authenticator app in a few seconds. So the third step states there, it says a 6-digit number will display which changes every 30 seconds. The dynamic number is your Google Authenticator code. So guys, once you've downloaded the app and you've entered the key and you've linked it, you're going to notice that a 6-digit code will be generated every 30 seconds. So what they are telling you is that that code right there is your Google Authenticator code. So you have to copy it from the Google Authenticator app, then place it right here. You have to paste it here. You can see that first field written please input Google code. So you have to copy that code, that 6-digit code, and paste it right here in that field that says please input Google code. So guys, that's what I'm going to show you. But first of all, let me show you guys how you can download and install the app and take you guys through the 3 steps. So the first step now is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store. Then if you're using an iPhone device, then you have to go over to your App Store. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device, so I can show you how you can download and install the Google Authenticator app into your mobile device. Let me go over to my Play Store real quick. So where is my Play Store? Let me go down. So I've seen my Play Store, so let me tap on it now to open it. Let me tap on it real quick. You can see my Play Store is opening up. So what I will do right away now is to go ahead now to search for Google Authenticator. So for me to do that, I have to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it real quick. Then let me tap on the search bar at the top. So what I will do quickly now is to type in Google Authenticator. So let me type it real quick. Right there you can see I've typed it, so let me tap on search. Right there is the Google Authenticator app, so let me tap on it so you see it clearly. You can see this is the app, you can see the logo right there. So let me tap on install to install it real quick. Right there guys, you can see it's loading now. It's going to start installing in a few seconds. Now it has started installing, so let's just wait. And it's installing now. You can see it's installing. Wow guys, you can see the Google Authenticator app has been fully installed. So what I can do now is to go ahead now to open the app. So let me tap on open to open it real quick. You can see the Google Authenticator app is opening. Then here's the next step. It says stronger security with Google Authenticator. Get verification codes for all your accounts using two-step verification. So let me go ahead now to tap on get started down there. Let me tap on it. Then here's the next step. It says welcome to Google Authenticator. Sign in to save your codes to your Google account. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to select the Google account that you want to use for the linking. So which Google account you want to use to link to your Gate.io account. You have to choose the Google account. This is a Google product, so you have to use a Google account for the linking. So you can do selection by tapping on where you can see that drop down icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it, or you can tap on use without all accounts. So let me tap on the drop down icon to select the Google account that I want. You can see these are the various Google accounts that I have. This is for those who have multiple accounts, so you can just select the one that you want to use for the linking. So let me go back right away. I've already selected the one I want, so let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see continue. So let me tap on continue to continue with this Google account real quick. You can see, guys, here's the next step. It says it looks like there aren't any Google Authenticator codes here yet. So guys, that's true because we've not linked it yet. I just downloaded this Google Authenticator app. So in case you want to still change your Google account, you can tap on that Google profile icon right there at the top right. You can tap on it to change your Google account. So now the next step you have to take now is to either tap on the plus icon at the bottom right, or you can tap on where you can see add a code. You can see it right there. So whichever one you tap on, you're good to go. So let me tap on where you can see add a code. Let me tap on it real quick. Then here's the next step. It says add an authenticator code. They say to begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on enter a setup key. So let me tap on it right away. So right here is the next step. It said enter code details. The first one, you have to input the code name. Then the second field right there, you have to input the key. Remember, there is a key right there in the Gate.io app, so we have to go over to the Gate.io app to copy that key. Remember, that's the second step they say we should take. The first step is to download and install it. Then the second step is to copy the key and come over here to enter it. So guys, let me quickly go back now to the Gate.io app to copy the code. Let me go and get it real quick. You can see right there, that's the code. So what I will simply do now is to tap on where you can see copy key. You can see the code right there being encircled. So let me tap on copy key to copy it. So guys, I've copied it. Now let me go back now to the Google Authenticator app so I can paste the key right there. But first of all, let me start by inputting the code name. Let me just type in Gate as the code name. I want Gate to be the code name. Then let me go over to the second field to paste the key. Remember, I've copied it, so let me paste it. Let me make a long press. Let me paste it. You can see I've pasted it right there. So what I need to do now is to go ahead now to tap on add. You can see add down there. Let me show you. You can see the add button down there. So let me tap on add right away. Wow guys, you can now see now, you can see the 6-digit code right there at the top. You can see the generation of the 6-digit code have started. So every 30 seconds this 6-digit code is going to expire. So guys can see it right there. So what I need to do now is to go ahead now to copy this code. But before I copy the code, let me go to the Gate.io app so I can fill in the email code that I need to get. So let me minimize, then let me go back now to the Gate.io app. Let me tap on it right away. You can see my Gate.io app has opened up. So now let me go ahead now to get the email code. You can see where it's written input email code. So what I need to do now is to tap on where you can see send, so I can get the email code and input it right there. So let me quickly now tap on send. You can see it right there on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading. So the code has been sent. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my email inbox to get the code. So let me quickly scroll down from the top of my phone. I've gotten the email. You can see the email right there. So let me tap on it now to open it up. You can see here's the email, and let me scroll upwards now so I can copy the code. You can see the code right there. So let me highlight it. Let me highlight it to copy it. Then let me tap on copy. You can see I've copied it. Now let me minimize and get back to the Gate.io app. Let me tap on it to open it. You can see now. So what I'll do now is to paste the email code in the text field. So let me paste it real quick. You can see right there I've inputted the email code I just copied from my email inbox. So the next step now is to input the Google code. You can see where it is written input Google code. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So for me to get the Google code, I have to go over to the Google Authenticator app to get it. So let me minimize now, then let me go over to the Authenticator app, the Google Authenticator app, to get the code. You can see right here the code is still generating. It generates every 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds a new 6-digit code will appear. So let me wait for this one to expire so I can immediately copy the next one. So you can see a new code has appeared. So let me make a long press. Let me make a long press to copy it right away. You can see right there I've copied it. It says copied to clipboard. So let me go back now to my Gate.io app so I can paste it real quick. It expires in 30 seconds. So let me paste it. So you can see I've pasted the Google code. So right there now you can see both the email code and also the Google code that I got from the Google Authenticator app. So what I'm going to do now is to quickly go over to the next step, which is to enable it. So let me scroll up, let me scroll downward. You can see where it is written enable Google Authenticator. So what I have to do now is to tap on it now to enable it. So let me enable it real quick. Let me tap on it real quick. You can see it's loading. You can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see success. You can see it right there. So guys, now I've been able now to successfully link or bind my Gate.io account to the Google Authenticator app. So guys, this is simply how you can be able to do it. So what I can do now is to go back now to my profile to show you guys that it has been successfully enabled. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on the profile, that encircled area. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on security. You can see security that right there. So let me tap on security to select it real quick. Wow guys, you can see the Google Authenticator has been enabled. What was written there was not enabled when we came here the first time, but you can see you can no longer find the not enabled right there. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on it now to select it to show you guys that it has been enabled. Wow guys, you can see what's written here. It says, are you sure you want to unbind the Google Authenticator? So guys, this is to confirm that we've actually binded our Google Authenticator to our Gate.io account. So guys, this is how you can actually enable your Google Authenticator on your Gate.io account, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, see you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.